morning, folks. Well, see this mess? I'm gonna clean it up today. It needs to be cleaned up before winter, and it's gonna get it today. All this dead stuff's gonna get cut off. All the grassy weeds is gonna get pulled, and it's going to once again be pretty. Because I've still got a lot of bloom up here. So I'm just gonna face it up, improve it today. In the meantime, have a good day. And you know, I don't even mind being out here doing this. It's a beautiful day. And we're just gonna get it done. And when I get done, I'll invite you back. You can see a difference already. And I think it looks tremendously better. And now I'm going to take a break. And take my can of pop and sit back there in my sitting area and take a break. That's what a little bit of hard work can achieve. When I get done with it, it's going to be pretty. Again. It's going to be pretty again. And then I'm going to move on to the next area. Okay, folks, this is all I got done today. But when I say this is all I got done from this little fence up to there done today. And look at that pile of weeds I got. So that's a lot. And my creeping Jenny, that's the little green viney thing here, she just kind of likes to go everywhere and get everywhere. So I worked on her and got her totally within that wheel. I think it's temporary, I know, until next year. But I've decided next year, when she starts climbing over, I'm just going to trim her off. Because she was clear up by the rhubarb, and up there on those perennials, and way over into here, and over into here, and I don't want her there. So I got rid of her. And she's in that pile. So anyway, that's what I got done today. And I feel really, really good about it. And I gotta remember, I might think I feel a lot younger, but in all actuality, I'm still 83. So I have to remember my limitations. Because if I don't, I pay for it. Anyway, that's all I wanted today. And I think my aster is going to rebloom. I think it's going to rebloom, which I didn't know it would, but I think it's going to. It's already started. So, and I think these are all buds. And that will be very, very pretty if that reblooms. going to make me very, very happy. Anyway, so that's all there is for today, folks. God bless you. Have a good day. And I'll